The Taconic Automotive Collision Repair and Refinishing program provides students with the technical knowledge and skills necessary to begin a rewarding career in this fast-paced, high-tech industry. Our dynamic curriculum provides students a great opportunity to work on both live and training vehicles with cosmetic and serious structural damage. In the process, students hone their skills in welding, cutting, surface preparation, painting, refinishing, plastic repair, abrasives, solvents, and estimation. The curriculum also includes a basic introduction to automotive mechanical and electrical systems. Our state-of-the-art painting booths allow students to develop proficiency with painting and refinishing techniques in an eco-friendly learning environment.
My name is Warren Lucier. I graduated from Taconic High School CTE program, which now I am the instructor of, and I am very proud of that. Being a CTE graduate out of Taconic High School Auto Collision really helped me in a lot of ways as far as life skills and just being one step ahead of other students. I started in 11th grade on co-op. I stayed with that company for 11 years, and then I moved on to open my own business. I had a body shop, an auto body shop, and a towing company that I had for 15 years. In 2017, in the automotive field, we were 70,000 employees short. So there's a very big demand. Here at our CTE program at Taconic, we have the best equipment and some of the best instructors, so we really take our time and train the students very well.
Graduates are eligible for 1 year of credit towards the 2-year work requirement necessary for Automotive Service Excellence ASE Collision Repair Technician Certification. Students demonstrating proficiency in our school lab are able to advance to a cooperative education employment position midway through junior year. Many exciting career options await successful auto collision repair and refinishing graduates.